Meadowscaping, the cool word for when you don't want to mow anymore. It means replacing lawn with wildflowers. Step 2 is raking it smooth or to the best of your ability, especially for us because our land is really slanted, so that when it rains or we water, all the seed doesn't wash down to the bottom. Step 3, set I thought you guys might appreciate a wildflower update. I'm going to show you this one section because I have like 6 new wildflower sections. What's your name? What's your name?